your help with solving something. I have two numbers on the board, 45 and 55, and someone says that they're different, but I don't know how. Can you guys please help me find out how they're different? Brandon?
Yes, 55 is bigger than 45, the tens place changed.
Right. So, 45 or 10th place is 4, so we have 4 tens, and then this one has 5 tens, so it increased by 10 tens. Did the ones place change?
No,
No, only the,
tens.
right. So today we're going to be learning how to add 1 10, 10 tens, also subtracting 1 and subtracting 10 to a 2-digit number. Now can you guys please read the standard with me and repeat after me. Identify the number
Identify the number.
that is 1 more,
That is 1 more,
1 less,
1 less,
10 more,
10 more,
and 10 less
10 less,
than a given 2-digit number.
and a given 2-digit number.
So that means that by the end of the lesson, you guys are going to know how to add and subtract 1 and 10 to a number using the skills that we're going to learn with our 10th place blocks and hundreds chart, alright? So, what I want you guys first to do is to grab your 10th place block and make the number 27. Now, how did you guys make the number 27?
2 10 blocks and 7 1 blocks.
Good. Now, I want you to add one 1 block to your number. And what number do you have now? Brandon?
28,
28. And how do you know? Brandon?
because you still have 2 10 blocks, which is 20, and then you added 1 block, which is 8, so 28.
So what changed? The 10s or the 1s?
The ones,
The 1s, right. And how do you know we didn't have another 10 block? Brandon?
because there's still 2 10 blocks.
Right, and 8 doesn't equal
10.
good. Alright. Now I'm going to give you a hundreds chart, and I want you to find the number 27 on your hundreds chart. Alright, and right here is number 27. Now, what number is it when we add 1 to 27? Brandon?
28,
And on the chart is 28, what position is 28 next to 27?
1 to the right.
Right, so when you add 1 to a number, you go to the right. So, on the ones, they're all gonna go this way. So 17 plus 1 is 18, 27 plus 1 is 28, 37 plus 1 is 38. Great, now I want you to go back to your 10th place blocks and make the 27 again. And now I want you to add a 10 base block. And now what number do you have? Brandon?
37,
37, great. And how do you know?
because you added a 10s block, so now it's 30, and then you kept the 1s block the same, which is 7, so 37.
Good, so what changed, the 10s or the 1s?
The 10s,
Great. And now I want you to find number 27 again on your hundreds chart. And now I want you to find number 37. And where is 37 located? Brandon?
1 below.
Below, right. So when you're adding a 10, you go below the number on the hundreds chart. So we don't have to count 10 times to find it. You can just go below it. Okay, now make your 27 again on your 10's base block. And now can you take one block away? And what number do you have now? Brandon?
26,
Great, and what changed, the 10s or the 1s?
the 1s,
The 1s, right. And the 10 stayed the,
same.
great. Now go on your hundreds chart and find 27 again. Now, where is 26? Brandon?
1 to the left,
Right, so when we subtract, we go to the left of the number. And it decreases. When we add, we go to the right and it increases. When we go 10 more, 27 number again with your base blocks, and I want you to add a 10. And what number do you have? Oh, I meant subtract. Take one away. I'm so sorry, guys. Take one away. We already did adding. So what number do we have now?
17.
17, right. And let's find that number 27 on our hundreds chart. And what position is 17 on the hundreds chart from number 27? Brandon?
Up.
Above, right. So when you subtract 10 on the hundreds chart, the number is going to be above. So I made this little cheat sheet, I guess. And when we're subtracting one, we go to the left. When we're adding one, we go to the right. When we're subtracting 10, we go up. When we're adding 10, we go down. All right, now we're gonna practice what we learned. I'm gonna want you guys to turn to your table partner and you're gonna work on these questions. So it looks like a hundreds chart, but some numbers are missing. And I'm gonna do the first problem with you guys, and then you guys will work together to do it on your own, okay? So I have the number 13, and they have 2 boxes under it. And we go below a number, what are we doing? Who remembers? Brandon?
We're adding 10.
We're adding, right. So the number under 13 would be 23. What would the number after 23 be? Brandon?
33.
Great. So now you see that when you go below, you're adding. Some of these have numbers on top and on the bottom, and they have the number under it. So please work with your partner to finish it, and then we'll review. So let's go over these questions. I have the number 16 here, and I have a blank box on the top and a blank box under it, but I have the 36 under that. So when we're going above a number, what are we doing?
Subtract.
Go ahead.
Subtracting 10.
Right, so what would that number be?
6.
6, good. And what would we be doing to the number after 16 below it? Brandon?
Adding 10.
10, right, and that number would be?
26.
And then obviously we would be adding another 10, and that would be 36, right? What if we moved 1 to the left of 16? What number do you think that would be? Brandon?
15.
Right, because we're subtracting 1. Good. All right, this next one has 49 and 69. So what are we doing to the number above 49? Brandon?
Subtracting 10.
Subtracting 10, and what number would it be? Go ahead.
39.
And what about the box under it? Go ahead.
It would be 59 because you're adding 10.
Good. All right, and now this last example has 93 at the bottom, and we have to find the numbers above it. And when we're going above it, what are we doing again? Go ahead.
Subtracting 10.
Subtracting. So 93 minus 10 is?
83.
83 minus 10 is?
73.
And 73 minus 10 is?
63.
Good job, guys. Now, what if I asked you to subtract 10 from 27 and then add 1? What would you do? Brandon?
You would go up 1 and then 1 to the right after that.
Good, and what would you land on?
18.
Good, alright. So, when you're trying to subtract and add, our hundreds chart really helps us. But what if we didn't have a hundreds chart, or 10 base blocks, and we were subtracting 20, let's pick 47 now, and we're subtracting 10. What's going to change? The 10s or the 1s? Brandon?
The 10s.
The 10s, so 4 would be, what would we be subtracting from 4?
Minus 1, so it would be a 3.
Right, so it would be, we would stay with 30 10s. And would anything be happening to the 1 side?
No.
No, so it would stay
7.
7. So we just know that we only have to do work on one side, right? And the other side stays the same. What if we were adding just 1 to 47? What would be changing? Brandon?
The ones, so it'd be 48. The
Right.
tens would stay the same, the ones wouldn't increase.
Great, awesome. Now, you guys did such good work. I saw you using your hundreds chart and your 10 space blocks to find out how a number changes by 1 and 10 and then decreases by 1 and 10. Now, to show me that you know what you've learned, I want you guys to do this exit ticket. You have the number 58 on it, and I want you to write 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less, and then turn it into the bucket. Alright, great job, class. So let's go over the standard again. Identify the number that is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less than a given 2-digit number. And I saw you guys doing that by using the hundreds chart and the 10 space block. And we also know how to mentally calculate it if we didn't have that, correct? Now, we also showed that we did that doing our guided practice and our exit ticket. Now, next lesson, we're going to learn how to add a single digit number to a double digit number, and knowing how to add 1 more and add 1 less helps us figure that out. All right, thank you for everything, class.